Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Wish everyone to be fine and healthy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account on PC. So the steps are very easy. You can follow these steps in your mobile phone as well in your PC desktop. I know some of you know to create the Facebook account and in your phone or in your laptop. But there are some people that they don't know. And one another thing, I'm starting from the first step, so watch till end and don't forget to subscribe. I'm starting to create a Facebook account, after that making a business page and many more things that in my next video will come. For example, how to secure your Facebook page, or how to check the security of your Facebook page, or Gmail, and which one is best for your Facebook page, Gmail or number. So watch till end, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, the first step is go to facebook.com and click create new account. After that, enter your name, email or mobile number, password, date of birth and gender. After that, click sign up, and to finish creating your account you need to confirm your email or mobile number. So let's see how to do this. Just simply open your browser. After that, search in Google Facebook, you'll find here. Okay, after opening this you'll find this kind of interface. Just click on Facebook. Okay, this kind of interface you will see. After coming to this kind of interface, you can add account, or you can just simply, if you have account, enter your account. But I want to create my new account, so just simply click on create new account. You'll find this kind of uh, form. So just simply complete the form with your specific information, and we'll see what will happen. Okay, I want to create by the name of Safi, the family name or his Khan. After that, I'm going to add mobile number or email address. You can use one of them. You can use both of them in one time, or also you can use just email or mobile number. But which one is secure, which one is good, or which one you can trust? I recommend you to use your email address. This why email address? Because you can secure your email address. You have the control on your email address, and some steps to secure your email address. Inshallah, in next video we will see how to secure your email address, or how to check your security of your email address. Okay, so just simply add here your email address. I am typing my email address. Just type correctly. Okay, this is my email address. After that, re-enter email address. Okay, I will copy this and just paste it here. Okay, create your password. This is important step. You should create one of the strong password that next time that you will remember, or just take the note in your mobile that you remember your Facebook account password, or keep in your safe place of your mobile that no one can access without you. So I'm going to just enter a strong password. Okay, this is my password. After that, after completing these steps, date of birth, just add your date of birth, that in which year you were born. 19 no 1000. Okay, this which month, just simply enter your date of month, April 10. Okay, after in gender you can select your gender, male, female, or custom, just let it, but I will choose male. After completing these steps, just simply click on sign up. This will take a little time. Okay, enter the code from your email. The Facebook sent me a code that I should enter here. After entering the code, I can continue. Without that, I cannot continue. This is one of the step of security. This is good. Just check your email box. Okay. Yes, this is my Facebook code. Uh, confirm your account. You just simply confirm. You can confirm, and this is my Facebook. I can simply copy and paste it here. Okay. Just copy the code that you receive from Facebook. Okay, this is my code, and don't share with you anyone else. Okay, just simply continue. This will take a little. You have successfully confirmed your account with email. This account, you will use this email address to log in. Okay, it means for the next time if I want to log into my Facebook page, so Facebook account, so I need to enter that email address and password. This is my Facebook ID or account. Very simple steps. As you can see, up to now I didn't follow anyone or I don't have any friend. So here is my account. As you can see, this is my account, and you can enter, you can add cover photo, your home photo or any other photo, or bring the changes here. So very simple steps. I wish you like and you understand anything. Inshallah, in next video I'm going to show you how to create business page for your business or for your community or for your personal blog. So after making this, I want to add a picture to this first one in my picture. Okay, update profile picture. You can just upload any picture from your desktop or from your mobile. The steps are simple, very easy steps. Just need to follow the steps. Okay, come to picture. I will choose one, any random picture that will help me to give. Okay, okay, I want to give this picture, so just open. Okay, can't upload this. Your picture could not be uploaded. The photo should be smaller than 4 MB. As you see, I just wanted to show you that you cannot upload an image or photo that are above 4 MB. You cannot upload. You should upload a picture that is smaller than 4 MB or 4 MB. You can upload, but you cannot upload an image that is 5 MB or 6 MB. So I will upload another image. Okay, for example, this, let's try this. Okay, you see, this image is good, and this is less than 4 MB. Okay, just click on save. Okay, this is my profile picture, and you can add cover photo. Just click select photo or upload. Select photo means that you already uploaded photo to your Facebook, and upload means that you'll upload from your computer. I just click on upload. Okay, you will see. Okay, we'll find one good picture for this. Let's see this. That can I use in background? Yeah, I think I can use. Yeah, this is good. I can use in my cover photo uh, more than 4 MB or 6 MB. Just save the changes. Okay, this is my interface. This is my profile and this is my cover photo. Very simple. Just follow the steps, and after that, edit profile information. This is my cover profile picture, and this is my cover photo. Okay, and bio, you can add bio. Just simply click on, uh, for example, welcome here. Okay, welcome here. Just click on save. You can add more information, more thing about your profile, and you can add current town or city, workplace, school, hometown, relationship status, and hobbies. Feature, you can, in your features you can add your for example, your Instagram account, your YouTube account, your another account that you want to add. And inshallah, I will show you how to have stylish Facebook. So I wish you like this video, and keep supporting means much thing, to like and watch this video till end and subscribe. Thank you.